Hey, it's Jason, the adventurous gas monitor guy, coming at you today from the beautiful Napili coastline in Maui, Hawaii, with gas monitor tip number 17. What can you clean your gas monitor with? Well, there's only one approved cleaning solution for a gas monitor. It's called water. Just use a damp cloth. Do not use things like WD-40, Armor All. Don't use anything with a silicone or a citrus in it, and don't use alcohol wipes. Those items can kill a sensor or clog a sensor. What's worse is that a monitor whose sensor is clogged up can actually pass a self-test when you start it up, and it'll make you think it's working when it's not. Only a bump test or calibration can really tell you if the monitor is doing its job and protecting your life. This is just one of the topics we cover in gas monitor competence training. To find a provider, just Google gas monitor competence training or gas detector competence training or sniffer training or something like that, and you'll find one. Hey, know your gas monitor and stay safe.